Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with Digital Rim. We're actually headed to the Commerce Club Atlanta right now, today, to do a production for the evening exchange, video production for the evening exchange. It's going to be one of those evenings where we highlight, recap a networking event with a lot of young entrepreneurs, even older entrepreneurs, but entrepreneurs nonetheless, in downtown Atlanta, where we capture the event, capture the story, capture the atmosphere, capture the vibe of the event, so they can continue to throw events just like this in the future and attract more audiences, or a bigger crowd or a bigger audience. So that's essentially, when we're doing our recap videos for events, that's essentially our goal, is to attract even more turnout for the next events. And the next events, you use this marketing material to bring awareness to the event, so you get a bigger turnout. So we want to highlight those key moments in this event and show, like, if you weren't there, you should have been there. So with that being said, we're going to do that right now. We're headed to production right now, so I'll see y'all there. Hey, so we're here at the Commerce Club here on the 49th floor in downtown Atlanta, and essentially we're going to help them create more content for their evening exchange event. Essentially, they reached out to us and was like, hey, we have these events going on here in downtown Atlanta. We want to bring awareness to the event, and we want to grow each and every individual event. So they're utilizing digital and media services to help grow that awareness online with their brand and get more people aware of the Commerce Club here in downtown Atlanta. So with that being said, we're going to do our thing and help them grow utilizing media to enhance their message, to reach more people. That's the beauty of having media, to do the hard work for you. You create it once, you can always repost it, reshare it. When it comes time again to have an event, remarket it, repost it, do all the things you have to do to bring awareness, to get those ticket sales, to get more people in the building, so you can grow and continue to scale your business, however that might be. So with that being said, let's continue on with this production. Get to it. Let's go. I'm here with James Shannon at the Commerce Club, and essentially he invited me out to shoot his evening exchange. As you see, the content, all of this great stuff that we created, but I'm gonna let the man tell you all about his event, what he has going on here, and why you should become a member, or consider becoming a member, or at minimum, come check out the event, the next evening exchange. Tell me more about this event, James.
Yeah, so the evening exchange is the Commerce Club's premier networking event, right? If you haven't heard of the Commerce Club, we are the premier business club, 49 floors above the city, amazing views, great food, great members, all of that, right? We are where the who's who, the power players, the shakers, the movers all come and do business here at the Commerce Club. I'm the director of membership, so I say it's my job to tell people about the Commerce Club, bring the members in, make sure everyone's having a good time, and that's exactly what we had tonight at the evening exchange. We dang near tripled our turnout this month. We had almost 90 to 100 people in the room. We had great food, cocktails, conversations, so many great opportunities for people to build genuine, real, impactful, and profitable relationships. That's everything that we do here at the Commerce Club. And I gotta thank and shout out Chris for coming in, shooting the video, the content, and all of that. That was great. And I'm super excited to invite you to the next one to make the evening exchange even bigger, better, and help to grow your business.
All right, so boom, it's a wrap. We actually just wrapped up the evening exchange here at the Commerce Club. It was an amazing event. It was an amazing turnout. It was like I say 150 people or something like that, you know, in one of the event spaces that we have here at the Commerce Club. Again, I was able to capture the event, make it very, very interactive. That's why we do this, to bring more awareness to brands, to make events even bigger the next time around when they have it, and use this as marketing material to show that this is a thing. This is something that's real. This is something that people are going to, and this is why you need to be there. So with that being said, I'll see you all at the next video. Let's go.